wa Kiswahili. Dennis ni mgani? Benson Kumi. John Manyala. Samata. Moses Fine. Na Kiswahili. Shaka ya kupiga na kuongeza mtu ni mwanasheria. Maelezo ni kwamba mnamo 21 Aprili mwaka huu kwa utenzi ambayo ilipita kwa kaunti. Mmoja mliweza kumpiga Thomas Maina nidhamu na kumwingiza. Ni kweli si kweli Dennis?
No.
Benson? John Manyara? Moses Maina?
I'm on live. Oh, live, yeah. People of the interest of this case. It's a matter of public interest.
So, if you're a key person, you should make formal application with regards to bail and bond. Your number one is the latest application takes Article number 9 of the Constitution. Which entirely guarantees the right to bail, as to bail to voters. We submit that pretrial liberty is the rule, but detention is the exception in these circumstances. We are submitting that there are no compelling reasons to have these four gentlemen, whom as you can see have the support of the public behind the order, to be held or to be given, granted, and reasonable cash bail. Number one, we submit that these four gentlemen are not advised. There is no demonstration of any foreign ties with them in any other jurisdiction. These are gentlemen who have people in the community. Their support is seated here, and some of them who are outside, and some of them who are also on social media watching them right now.